Welcome everybody. Let's take a look what happened in the stock market today. This is the S&P 500 futures. We are looking at the weekly chart right here. A little bit of a green candlestick going on here now. Range about 56 for the week so far, which is only Monday and Tuesday. But looking, a little bit of a bounce going on here. Divergence still showing up here. In a moment we'll look at the daily, but possible, just maybe. We're going to start seeing some consolidation in the next few days. But here in the weekly chart, things are just kind of, I think, just tracking a little bit sideways. Now here on the daily, obviously we had a pretty decent day. 53.25 was the range. And, I was talking, that was very active on the Discord server today. I know quite a few members made some really nice bank. It was a very healthy trading day. But I was looking at the top of this candlestick right here and I was talking with them and I said 44.26. If it gets above that, then the cycle low might be over. But it didn't. So we're going to keep an eye on this. You can see that the SMI, Stochastic Momentum Index, is trying to get a little bounce going on here. The MACD has crossed over on the daily. We're going to see, what does this do? Does this just do one of these deals and then go down? And we have more cycle low to go out here going into the first week of July. So we're going to keep an eye on that. But for today, pretty healthy day. Really nice strong bounce the whole day pretty much. Once we got into intraday was very, very strong. Okay, let's look at the trade of the day. Well, just before we look at the trade of the day, this is just a little trade I made. I was kind of busy, so I didn't get a chance to trade a lot. But, I used my own service again. Made $262 a day. Really nice little pocket change there. Not a problem, right? Just think about that. If you're making $250 to $300 every day, 5 days a week, you do the math. It's really, really nice, right? You're making some good income. So, I have my plan and my trading style for the time I have available. Everybody's a little bit different, but yes, I actually do use my own service. Okay, when I have time to get in there and trade and I'm busy doing other things, yep, I use it and I make some nice bank for myself. So I just thought I'd share that with everybody. Okay, let's look at two trade of the days. The first one's going to be on the 5-minute chart, which, by the way, these are streamed live. The 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 1 hour are all streamed live to my members 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. Okay, the first one we're going to look at, the trade of the day, is right here. This was about 8:30, I think. Yep, 8:20. Look at this. This alert came in here on the Giddus Plus indicator, my own indicator. And man, was it spot on or what? Look at this. Talk about timely. And of course, the members get alerted not only here in the streaming charts for the multiple time frames, they also get alerted on the Discord server. So look at that. That's just an amazing alert at the beginning. Just, basically right at the open. Then over here on the 15-minute chart, there was actually a really good alert as well. This one happened a little bit later, about 9:30 in the morning, right there. Really, really nice. Look at this. My goodness, look at this alert. So again, the Giddus Plus indicator was picking up that they look like there might be a likely trade. In this case, it was long. And sure enough, boy, was it long. All day. All day. It was just little dips and buy, little dip and buy, little dip and buy. Yeah. I had a couple of members say, a lot of my members trade options. I tend to trade futures, but whatever it is you're going to trade, that could be options on the SPX. That could be options on the SPDR, the SPY. You could trade futures like I do. I trade the ES. Okay, whatever you're going to do, however you're going to access the S&P 500, take advantage of it. The membership is there for people to take advantage of. Stick around. Here in a moment, I'll show you how you can get into the membership and make use of the membership services. But this was one heck of a trade of the day right here. Both the 5-minute, 15-minute really did amazing today. Okay, so over here on the Discord server, this is where all those services take place for the members. Okay, and this is the S&P 500 alerts channel. So we just looked at the charts, right? We saw the 5-minute alert and the 15-minute alert that the members really took advantage of today. So they get to see the streaming charts, but they also get the alerts on the Discord app. So, a lot of them probably have a mobile device. Some of them might be trading on a desktop or a laptop, whatever they're doing. Okay, they get alerted. So they're just coming here, right clicking on notifications. They click notifications, probably all messages, and they get the alerts. All right. So here was an alert, you know, just one of the alerts I talked about. 9:30. This came in at 9:31, 1 minute later on the 15-minute chart, right? There it was. Here was alert, you know, a couple alerts that came in. This was basically the 8:20 alert. It came in right here. So both show up in the S&P 500 alerts channel. Pretty cool, right? There's also gold alerts for those who want to trade commodities. Like sometimes I trade commodities, crude oil. Stock alerts. This would be the top 30 stocks for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ go into here. Daily alerts, which sometimes we get those, sometimes we don't. But this would be for those who want to do more swing trades and not doing intraday stuff, a little bit slower style of trading. Fine. You can look in the daily only alerts. If there's a symbol in there, you go take a look at your chart and you decide whether or not that's a symbol you want to trade. Okay, premium symbols. I'll talk about that in a second. If you're liking everything you're seeing in this video and you want to become a member, just click on the first comment in this YouTube video. The very top comment will be pinned to the top. You'll see a link in there. It's going to bring you over to the Discord server. Okay, get a server in this case. That's my server. You're going to click on server subscriptions. You get this page right here. Look at this, $7.99. Now, guys and gals, you just saw me made $300 in one day. Now, I know account size has a lot to do with whether, you know, how big of a trade you can take. And some people maybe can't trade, you know, an ES contract like I do. Then you can trade the micro contract. Okay, but still, if you traded what I traded today, which was a small little scalpy trade, you still would have made 30 or 40 bucks on one little micro futures contract. Okay, if you're trading options, then, you know, I don't know what the equivalent is, but I'm assuming it would have been probably that much or more. So just think about it. Just one day's worth of trading would have paid for several months worth of membership. I keep this price at $7.99 because inflation is crazy, and I'm not out there charging hundreds of dollars like some of these people do and then give you a crappy service. Okay? So take advantage of the $7.99 because it is an extremely good value. Yeah? Now, this is everything that comes with the service, everything you're seeing on this page, all right? The streaming charts I talked about, the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. All three of those charts are streamed at the same time live to my members. The S&P 500 alerts I talked about, the 5, 15 minute, 1 hour, and there's actually daily here too. The alerts for the top 30 stocks, talk about that, S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. That also includes daily over here. You can just pause this video anytime you want and read the list of services. Okay, let's talk about the premium symbols. Because as I just showed, there's premium symbols channel. What goes in there? Well, the same GETIS Plus, you know, indicator I use. That logic at the end of the day goes out and gets all the symbols that meet the requirement for that algorithm, right? For that indicator. And goes and gets the future symbols, any stocks that are optionable. Industries. Now, why is that important for industries? Because money flow, right? Rotation of money from big funds. They rotate their money in and out of industries, but more like sectors, right? So these are files, by the way. All these are files that show up in that channel on the Discord server. So the industries shows industries and subsectors and subsectors. So you get to see the money flow. Where are the big funds moving their money? Okay, that's really important because some people like to trade and follow the funds, right? Okay, symbols that look like they might be shortable. That's what that one is. Okay, now members, new members, existing members, or if you're going to become a member, you know, make sure you put your email in the email only channel on the Discord server if you want to get the nightly email. Okay, I put out the S&P 500 chart. I give my comments about what I think the market's going to do, and usually I mock up the chart a little bit with something just to kind of give my opinion about what I think where the market's headed. Okay. And of course, everybody gets the YouTube videos, okay, both the public and the member. So this is quite a bit of service for $7.99 plus everything I already showed you, okay? So take advantage of it while you can. Okay, everybody, hope you really had a good trading day. Talk to you all real soon again next time.